Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we discuss everything about ACCA. So if you are someone who is just starting your ACCA journey or wondering if ACCA course is for you or no, then definitely this is the video for you. We are going to discuss everything about how to start for ACCA, how ACCA works, what the job looks like, and all the details that you need before you're going to start your ACCA career journey. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. I bring to you all updates about ACCA. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, like our video and share it with people who require such content. Now to start with, what is ACCA? ACCA is a chartered accountancy course which is offered by UK, and it covers all international law, international syllabus. So it is recognized across the world because what you're learning is global accounting, global auditing, global laws, global taxation system. So ACCA is recognized in 180 countries and it is a UK based course. Now, how the course is structured is it is divided into three levels: knowledge level, skill level, and professional level. Knowledge level has three papers, skill level has six papers, and professional level has four papers. So, in total, there are 13 examinations. And now, the beauty of the course is that there is so much flexibility that you give one paper, you get 50 percentage, and you're clear and you're good to go ahead with the next paper. So you have to just write each paper individually, prepare well, study, and then clear it, move ahead. So typically, even if you're writing one paper every attempt, now the skill and the professional level paper happen every quarter. Knowledge level paper are on demand. So that is basically when you feel you're prepared, you can book the examination and write the examination. So if you plan it well, you can finish the course in 2 to 2.5 years. Write one paper, clear it, move ahead. So that's my suggestion for all the students. The hidden secret of ACCA, or basically the most advantageous factor of ACCA, are the exemptions. So ACCA offers abundance exemption based on your prior qualification. So they believe do not repetitively study the same things that you have studied earlier. So which is very good, and it is the beauty of the course. So now what these exemptions are, there are two ways to claim these exemptions. First is basically if you join any institute which is accredited with ACCA, so you could go to accaglobal.com and find university partners. These universities offer their syllabus which is in line with ACCA. So if you're doing a BCom graduation with these universities, then they are assuming that you have studied everything that is required to be studied in ACCA in your BCom, and based on that you get like a 6 or a 9 paper exemption. So that is very good. Now if you've completed your graduation, then you don't have to worry because there are MBA courses also which are offering these exemptions. So at an MBA level also you could do ACCA and claim a 6 or 9 paper exemption. Again, you will get it under the university partner section of accredited universities. Please look for them. These are all universities which are offering paper exemptions. If you require any details or guidance around it, you can definitely reach out to me. Now, the second option is based on your prior qualification. So, if you're already a BCom graduate, you are an MBA graduate, or you have done Indian Chartered Accountancy, you have done CMA, then you get certain exemption based on your prior qualification. Again, this you can go to the exemption calculator under accaglobal.com and figure out how many paper exemptions are you going to get. Now there is another factor from where you can get exemption is if you're at your graduation level and you haven't joined any university partner which is accredited with ACCA, still you get exemption. Yes, you still get exemption. Now how? There is something called conditional exemption. So what this means is basically if you are already studying BCom, you haven't cleared it but you're still studying, so some topics or some subjects are going to overlap in ACCA and BCom. Now because there are overlapping, you do not have to write these examinations again in ACCA, but because you haven't cleared your BCom yet, it is called conditional exemption. These exemptions are available only when you clear your BCom. So what that means is you can start with your ACCA right away, claim these conditional exemption and write the further papers. Once you clear your BCom, these papers are also assumed to be cleared. Now, how do you claim this exemption? It is quite simple. At the time of registration, you have to just upload your program study. So basically, what are you going to study under your program? So this document is available with all your universities. You could get it from your university and upload it at the ACCA website at the time of registration, and you will be able to claim your conditional exemption. So there are various ways to claim exemption: by joining a university, by having a prerequisite education qualification, or by claiming conditional exemption. So you should be making the most out of it and then starting your ACCA career at the right stage which you're supposed to start. So this is with the examination pattern, how to go about it. Now let's talk about the cost. You can finish your ACCA in about 3 to 4 lakhs, including your entire study material, examination fees, tuition fees. All of that can be done within 4 lakhs. So it is a very, very affordable course, and it is recognized in 180 countries. So that's very, very good. Now, talking about the job opportunities, now there is a lot of questions around what kind of jobs will be available. Are jobs available in India because it's a UK based course? Then, yes, jobs are definitely available and in abundance. If you do not believe me, you can go to ACCA's career portal and you will find all the jobs that are available in India for ACCAs. So you have a proof that yes, jobs are available for ACCAs. So do not have to worry about job opportunities. I typically get asked by a lot of people that can ACCAs practice in India? Well, the answer is no. You cannot practice or sign any balance sheet in India because it is not recognized in India. Only an Indian chartered accountant can sign balance sheets in India. So you can't practice, as in, you can definitely work, perform your audit work, but you cannot sign as a ACCA in India. So job is definitely the area for ACCAs in India. Now, looking at the pay package, you can expect a pay package around 7 to 8 lakhs as a fresher as an ACCA. Now, there is another catch that you require 3 years of practical experience to be an ACCA. Like any other professional course, the practical experience is mandatory. But again, there is a lot of flexibility available for ACCA students. You can work in any field of finance. So you could do audit, taxation, you could do investment banking, you could do any kind of financial analysis. You could also do financial research work. All of those are accepted. So you just have to kind of complete your 36 months or 3 years of practical experience in the field of finance. Now there is another flexibility available, is that if you have enrolled today, let's say in 2024, any work experience prior to this will also be counted. So anytime during the course, you need to have 3 years of experience. It could be prior or post registration also. So I think more or less this is about a basic understanding about ACCA course, how the examination works, how to start with it, and what kind of jobs you have, what is the pay package. So I have tried to kind of give you a detailed analysis of all the things covered under ACCA. However, if there is something missed out, you require some kind of guidance and you need assistance, you can definitely reach out to me. Details are given here. I'd be very happy to help any student or anyone aspiring to take up ACCA. And for more such tips and updates, do follow us, subscribe to our channel, like our video, and guys, please do share this content with people who require it. I'll be back with more updates about ACCA. Till then, take care. See you all.